The first step is signing up for Hostinger Horizons. To do that, go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link in the video description. Using that will take you directly to the Horizon setup page and automatically apply an extra discount, so you're getting the lowest price available. And once you go to that link, you'll be brought to this page right here. Click on Start Now. And that'll bring you down to the plan options. Here you'll see a few different plans to choose from, and the only real differences between them are how many AI credits you get and which features are unlocked. I personally recommend going with the starter plan. You'll notice that you do have the Explorer plan over here, which is cheaper. However, this doesn't include a free domain. It limits you to just one website. You don't get e-commerce features, and you also can't buy additional credits if you run out. With the starter plan, you're going to get 70 credits per month, a free domain, up to 25 websites, and you'll find some other features down here as well. So overall, I find that the starter plan is a much better starting point for beginners. You'll also see some higher tier plans here as well. If you find that you need more credits or want access to things like the code editor, you can always upgrade later. For now, I'm going to go with the starter plan. So here I'll click on Select Plan. All right, so now we need to choose our plan period. It'll be set to 12 months by default. However, you can switch this from 12 months to 1 month if you want to, but I would personally recommend going with the 12-month plan. With this, you're getting the best promo pricing, a free domain, free hosting for the year, and you actually get 2 extra months included for free. So in total, you're getting 14 months. And don't forget, if you use the first link in the video description, you'll save an additional 10% off. With that done, go down and click on Continue. And then here you'll need to register for a Hostinger account. Go ahead and enter your email address and create a password. Then click on Register. And then here you'll need to go through the checkout process. Go ahead and enter your billing address and your payment information, and I'll meet you at the next step.